The Service Metrics dashboard helps you keep track of how you're performing on after sales. It monitors your item not as described return requests and item not received requests, and shows you how you're doing when compared with your peers. Let's look at where to find it and how to use it. Go to Seller Hub and click Performance. Then select Service Metrics. There are two tabs, one for item not as described and one for item not received. On each tab you can see how you compare to your peers. If you want to know how your peers are selected, hover over the eye icon. If you list on more than one eBay site, use the drop-down menu to select the one you want to review. Use the category drop-down menu to look at each category you list in separately. If no data appears, it either means you didn't have any return requests during the period you've selected, or there isn't enough data to make a comparison. You can see your current rating and your projected rating. Both are based on your lookback period, which is either 3 months or 12 months. Service metrics started being measured in June 2018, so lookback periods start from that point onwards. The projected rating is dynamic and updates to take into account new return requests. Click the hyperlinks to toggle between your current and projected ratings. On the thermometer, you'll see 4 ratings: very high, high, average, and low. You can see your own rating and percentage, and the rating and percentage for sellers in your peer group. If your rating is higher than your peer group, or your rating is in the high or very high brackets, it's well worth looking into the reasons why. That's because final value fee surcharges will be applied in that category if you've got a very high rating. On the right hand side, you can see how your item not as described return requests break down. Reading this together with the detailed report can help you spot any recurring themes. For example, are you seeing more item not as described return requests for certain listings? If so, check the listing to make sure it's accurately describing the item you're selling. Look at the photos, title, description, product identifiers and item specifics and see if anything's inaccurate or could be improved. To see the detailed report, click Download Report. The CSV file gives you individual case numbers so you can dig deeper and remind yourself what happened. Now, let's look at the section for item not received. You read it in much the same way. The main difference is that the report is split by the buyer's location. There's domestic, international emerging region, and international mature region. To see which countries fall into which region, hover over the left-hand side of the dashboard. So that's how to read the Service Metrics dashboard. Make checking your ratings a regular part of your day-to-day eBay account management. There are lots more tips on what you can do to reduce the number of item not received and item not as described requests on the Seller Center. To get more tips and guidance from the eBay team, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.